How to allow camera permission in Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings and then scroll down to apps and then navigate to Instagram. And here you want to go to permissions, and as you can see, the camera feature or option is seated on the not allowed permissions section. Click on it, and here you will be able to allow the access of camera in Instagram by selecting one of these two options. So go with whichever option you want and suits you the best, and when you go back, you will see that the camera option has been moved to the allowed permission section, meaning that you have just granted access to it on the Instagram app. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can allow camera access on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.